Tracfone 4G problems typically stem from three main areas: network coverage, APN settings, or device compatibility. First, check your coverage using the Tracfone app or online maps to ensure you're in an area with a strong signal. Tracfone uses Verizon and AT&T towers, so coverage varies by location, with rural areas often having weaker signals. If coverage isn't the issue, proceed to APN settings. In 2025, a large portion of complaints are due to incorrect APN configurations. Outdated devices or carrier switches can alter these settings. Make sure your device is compatible with Tracfone's 4G LTE network, as older 4G-only phones are being phased out. Start with basic troubleshooting steps. First, restart your phone to refresh the connection. Second, check that the SIM card is properly inserted. Third, ensure data roaming is turned off unless you're traveling internationally. If the issue continues, try these advanced fixes. Toggle airplane mode on and then off to reset connections. Or reset your network settings to clear any configuration problems. To verify APN settings, navigate to your phone's settings, select Mobile Networks, then Access Point Names. This is where you configure data connection settings. Common Tracfone APNs include Tracfone for general use, or carrier-specific ones like VZ Winternet if you're on Verizon. If needed, manually enter these APN settings. Name, Tracfone, APF data, proxy and port leave blank, username and password leave blank, server leave blank, MMSC, mms.tracfone.com, MMS proxy leave blank, MMS port 80, MCC 310, MNC 410, authentication type none, APN type SUPAL, MMS. If issues persist, consider using Wi-Fi calling in congested areas. Tracfone's app and website offer real-time coverage maps and automated APN configuration tools to simplify troubleshooting.